the video of accused Siddique, so-called escape from the crime branch custody, is not shocking and in fact confirms certain suspicions I had. His escape could not have happened without the active connivance and involvement of the top brass in the crime branch of the Goa police. You can ask me why I have the suspicion of the involvement of the top brass of the Goa police crime branch. Firstly, the video shows the IRB police constable Amit Naik opening the lockup and taking the accused out of the cell. Secondly, there is no other PC or guard around. Such a person whom you took over 4 years to arrest, you keep him simply there so that he can just walk out or run away? Thirdly, there are CCTV cameras from where recordings of the footage have been obtained, and you see that once again neither the police constable nor the accused look at the cameras even once. Why? Are they confident that this exercise is being done under direction or perhaps under supervision of someone higher who had told them to do this so that they would be protected, and that's why they are not worried that even CCTV cameras are picking up their footage? The questions which come up are: first, whom did Siddique name in the land grab investigation, or who had interest in the land grab cases? Secondly, was his so-called escape permitted so that now Siddique will be dealt with an encounter and then finished off? Siddique claims in his video that 10 to 12 police escorted them to Hubli, and DGP has doubted the version of Siddique, firstly claiming that this is a video allegedly of Siddique. Secondly, he claims that this is a distraction tactic and the police is doing a proper job. I asked the DGP, has he studied the matter carefully before rushing to make unwanted and uncalled statements? Remember the cash for jobs scam issue? Here also, he rushed probably at directions of his master's voice to clear off all links with politicians. Looks like he is doing the same once again over here. I have these pointed questions to the DGP and to the government. Number one, why were selective videos revealed? What do I mean by selective videos? Why not footage of the entire crime branch of the police station? As per the directives of the Supreme Court, CCTV cameras have to cover the entire police station, including the cabin of the officer in charge. Next question, where is the video footage of the vehicle parking area from which it is claimed that Police Constable Amit Naik and accused Siddique fled on a motorbike? Why is that area footage not being shown to anyone? Were they alone, by themselves, or someone else was with them, as was claimed by Siddique? Next is, very importantly, who revealed these videos? You know, a matter is under investigation, and a matter is under investigation. How could these videos, which are privy only to the crime branch, could have been revealed or could have been shared? Was this sharing to cover up and protect someone? Did the DGP obtain CCTV footages of border checkposts to confirm his claim that only 2 of them fled out of Goa? If he has not got these CCTV footages, and now my question is, how could he make the statement so fast? If the DGP has not got the CCTV footage, he needs to order that it should be obtained immediately to ensure it is not tampered, manipulated or deleted. If the DGP does not procure the footages, then version of Siddique will be proved to be true. Another question is, if the border CCTV footages have been blanked out somewhere, and importantly at the time of passage for exit out of Goa of these accused, or not available, then it will be clear that the police have more to hide. Also, it is important at this stage because there are suspicions and you are investigating. So definitely the DGP has to order the mobile CDR records of the entire staff of the crime branch. It has to be obtained to verify the movements of the police working with crime branch to controvert the statement of Siddique to prove that none other than the PC and Siddique were the only two persons who went out of Goa. When the cash for job scam investigation was in progress, it is believed that 51-year-old Sridhar, who was working as a peon in the Goa State Scheduled Caste and other backward classes Finance and Development Corporation Limited, who was not an accused but a key witness in the cash for job scam, mysteriously committed suicide. Is it not sheer coincidence that PC Amit Naik attempted to commit suicide? And where did he try to commit suicide? Not in Hubli, not at the border, but inside the confines of the crime branch of the Goa police. And how? It is claimed that there was phenyl kept in the bathroom. Is phenyl kept like this just for that anybody can use it, anybody can drink it, and when you have accused which are being brought in for investigation, detained and allowed to use bathroom, so phenyl is kept so easily? I have reasonable suspicion to believe that many complaints were filed with crime branch, were not registered as FIR and were compromised with sale deeds being made to certain high level officials or politicians. SP Rahul Gupta has fingers directly pointing at him. The buck stops with him as the head of the crime branch. SP Rahul Gupta has been handpicked by the Chief Minister to head the crime branch. Can we infer that he has been put there to do the bidding of the Chief Minister to protect all the crimes of the BJP supporters and those in good books with the Chief Minister? Was he trying to get rid of PC Amit to ensure that nothing comes out from his mouth and the chapter is closed? Will Siddique have an ending by an encounter? SP Rahul Gupta is the head of the crime branch. SP Rahul Gupta needs to be suspended with immediate effect for free and fair investigation. SP Rahul Gupta should not be transferred to another post in Goa. He will exert influence. He should be stripped of all his responsibilities. Action against a small fry is not enough. This is utter failure of law and order of the Chief Minister, who is the Home Minister, and will have to explain this utter mockery and the collapse of the system where criminals are roaming in uniform. I heard someone saying that from the BJP that Goa police is capable of carrying out investigation. Is this the kind of investigation they want to carry out by making evidence disappear? Considering the conduct of the special team of Goa police, especially the crime branch, giving it to another agency in the Goa police would only be counterproductive. The other branch of the Goa police or even another special team will only cover and protect their fellow policeman, fellow police officer and the politicians involved. If Dr. Pramod Sawant has no role in this episode and he wants the truth, then he should order a high-level inquiry headed by a retired High Court judge into the methodology being followed by SIT or the crime branch into the land grabbing cases from the receipt of each complaint, whether registered as FIR or not, and into this police facilitated escape of accused Siddique.